What's up, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with ZoomX, who are offering a 20% cashback on sign up and deposit on their platform. Deposit $100 and get $20 back just for signing up. Absolutely incredible deal. Make sure to take advantage below, along with our other exchange partnerships. Let's get into the video. Alright, then we're just taking a look at Verasity on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, not too much to report here for Verasity as we do continue down in this little channel that we have been heading down in for some time. As I always like to start these videos with, I would like to mention there was a crazy manipulation candle on KuCoin that's not showing on this chart. It basically comes all the way down to here, like this. So I'll probably just draw this in and leave it like that. But as you can see, this is basically what we're looking for. We had this really nice pickup off the lows, 4x off the lows up to around a fourth of a percent. Huge manipulation as people basically wicked a ridiculous amount of people out of positions, and then since then we've really been trickling down to the low. I think a lot of people are afraid to get back in because of the crazy swings that we did see. Obviously we've got Bitcoin at all-time highs right now, although getting a pretty decent pullback over the past few days, as I would have expected. Everyone was getting super euphoric about Bitcoin going to all-time highs, and usually when that happens we do see a pretty nice pullback. I've actually got a potential nice trade that could form here actually. Got a pretty decent level of liquidity here. I'll have to watch this and monitor this. I do trade an inverted fair value gap strategy, and we could potentially get a decent trade out of here. Just have to monitor this and see if we get any decent gaps. We've only really got this one. It's pretty huge, to be honest. We'll see how things progress with that. But as you can see, as I said, Bitcoin currently at all-time highs, but getting a pretty significant pullback here. And I could see this pulling back all the way back down here, if I'm being honest. Obviously, Verasity nowhere near getting the kinds of move to the upside that it should be. Considering Bitcoin's at all-time highs, pretty much all of our altcoins, they've had a little bit of a move up, but nothing like, as I said, the Bitcoin move that we have seen. Bitcoin here looking really good on the macro. You can see quite clearly that this has been heading up continuously pretty much for this entire bull market, looking really good all the way from 15k, almost a 10x off the lows, almost at 150k here. Is this outperforming last time? No, because we got a 20x last time, didn't we? Or a 23x off the lows. So a 10x for Bitcoin in this cycle would be absolutely fantastic off the lows, to be fair. But overall, altcoins in general just nowhere near moving like Bitcoin has been moving. If you look across the market, you can see pretty much all of our altcoins had a small bounce. But now if Bitcoin retraces another 10-15k, we'll probably see altcoins get chopped to pieces. Verasity no exception here. You can see really with the smallest of bounces off of this low, a really small bounce off of coming down and hitting into this level here, pretty much a triple bottom. We did come up and try and break this trend line resistance, but you can see we really just haven't got the momentum or the volume to be doing so at this point. If you look at this chart, it's looking pretty damn sad. The hourly time frame showing us we can't even break this little resistance here. Even every other altcoin has managed to break out of the local downtrend resistance that we've been in, but Verasity just lacking the substance right now to do so. You can see from that previous pump that we did see from a 1/10 of a cent to a 1/4 of a cent that it's very possible for that volume to come in for Verasity, but right now not much going on. People probably just waiting for lower prices down here to start getting back in with good size. You can see really Veracity's just come down, tapped into this previous level of consolidation from the previous cycle. Really, we do need to see this getting back up to resistance pretty soon. Right now, not too much to report. We could get a pump, but obviously Bitcoin it's all dependent on what Bitcoin does. Joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for ZoomX to get your 20% bonus and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks a lot for watching. You